Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore a cool feature in Capcut PC: how to remove and add backgrounds to your videos. Let's get started. First thing first, open Capcut on your PC. Once you're in, import the video footage you want to edit. Click on the Import button. A new format will appear. Now select your video and click Open to import it. Now, simply drag and drop your video clip onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now, click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. Now, make sure the video tab is selected in the top right corner. Now, click on the cutout option. If your background is a green screen, use chroma key. If it's not a green screen, choose auto cutout. When you click on it, after some time, your background has been successfully removed. Now, it's time to add a new background. Head to the Basic tab and scroll until you find the Canvas option. Once you are there, click on None. And here, you can select from Blur, Color, or Style. I'm going with Style. Now, scroll a little and you will see a small arrow. Click on it. Now, scroll and explore the various backgrounds available. Now, you can select any background by clicking on it. In my case, I select this one. Now, you can see background just looking like a wow. You can use your own image or video. Now, it's time to add moving background. For a moving background, place the video on the upper timeline. Now, at the top left corner, click on Library. Once you are in the Library section, scroll down until you find your favorite background. When you find out, drag and drop it below your video clip, adjusting its position as needed. Let's preview the video to see the magic. You can see, it's also looking like a wow. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the background in Capcut PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Capcut PC tutorials and editing tips. Thanks for watching.